Lighting is one of the most magical elements in home design. It has the power to completely transform how a room looks and feels. A well-lit space can make even a small apartment feel open, cozy, and expensive, while poor lighting can make even the most beautifully decorated room appear dull and lifeless. The good news is that you don't need a false ceiling or costly electrical work to achieve that elegant, designer-style glow. With just a few clever lighting ideas, you can make any room look warm, luxurious, and full of personality. In this video, we'll explore 3 simple but effective lighting hacks that will instantly elevate your space and give it that high-end finish, all without using a false ceiling. Hack 1. Create depth with layered lighting. The first trick interior designers use to make a home look luxurious is called layered lighting. Instead of relying on a single bulb or ceiling light, think of lighting as a way to build depth and dimension in your space. There are 3 main types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent. Ambient light is your general illumination, like a ceiling fixture or pendant. Task lighting focuses on practical use, such as a desk lamp or kitchen counter light. Accent lighting is where the magic happens. It highlights details, textures, and corners that make your room unique. Start by combining different light sources at various heights. For example, use a floor lamp beside your sofa, a table lamp on your console, and maybe a small wall sconce near your art or mirror. These layers of light create warmth and softness that mimic natural sunlight. When you walk into a space like this, your eyes move gently around the room, noticing all the details that were once hidden in shadows. It feels inviting, calm, and beautifully balanced. Avoid using overly bright or white bulbs. Instead, go for warm-tone LED lights that emit a soft golden glow. This gives your room a cozy, expensive atmosphere similar to luxury hotels or high-end restaurants. The key is not to make your room brighter, but to make the light more flattering and evenly spread. You'll be amazed at how elegant your home feels once you start layering your lights with intention. Hack 2. Choose the perfect color temperature. The second lighting hack is understanding light color and temperature. Every bulb gives off a different shade of white light, and that small difference can completely change the mood of a room. Warm light, which has a yellow or golden tint, instantly makes spaces feel luxurious, relaxing, and welcoming. Cool light, on the other hand, is crisp and blue-toned. It's great for workspaces, but not ideal for living areas or bedrooms. For most rooms, go for bulbs that are around 2,700 K to 3,000 K in color temperature. These create a natural, candle-like warmth that's perfect for homes. It's the type of glow that makes wooden furniture richer, wall paint softer, and skin tones look more flattering. If your home lighting currently feels harsh or sterile, simply changing the bulb color can make a massive difference. For even more control, you can install dimmable or smart bulbs. This lets you adjust brightness depending on your activity or mood. During the day, keep your lighting bright and fresh. In the evening, dim it down to create a soothing, intimate environment. Hack 3. Use accent and hidden lighting for drama. Accent lighting is what gives your home that designer-level drama and visual interest. The best part? You can achieve this easily, without a false ceiling. Accent lighting is all about highlighting the most beautiful elements of your home. The textures, corners, and details that deserve attention. One simple idea is to use LED strip lights creatively. Place them under your TV console, along the underside of shelves, behind a mirror, or around the edges of furniture. The soft, glowing line of light adds a sense of depth and makes the piece appear to float. You can also install them along the floor skirting or behind wall panels to give your space a layered, architectural look. If you have artwork, plants, or statement walls, consider adding small spotlights or picture lights to draw focus. The glow immediately makes your decor stand out. Even placing a small lamp near curtains bookshelves, or dark corners helps balance the light and remove shadows, giving your room a more finished and sophisticated appearance. Hack 4. Balance lighting with texture and decor. Lighting works best when it complements your textures and materials. Soft fabrics like curtains, rugs, and cushions absorb light, making spaces feel cozy, while shiny or matte surfaces interact differently with illumination. Try balancing these effects by placing lights near textured walls or fabric drapes. You'll notice how shadows play beautifully, adding character to your room. You can also use lighting to highlight architectural features such as niches, arches, or open shelving. A small lamp inside a shelf or a candle near textured tiles can make those spots feel warm and artistic. The goal is to make every area of your home look purposeful and thoughtfully designed, even with simple, affordable lighting. Hack 5. Use lamps as design elements. Often people think of lamps as just practical light sources, but in reality, they're decor pieces too. The right lamp can instantly elevate your interior style. Choose lamps that reflect your personality. Maybe a ceramic base for a cozy home, or a sleek metallic one for a modern apartment. You can mix table lamps and floor lamps for balance. Placing a lamp beside a sofa, on a nightstand, or on a hallway console creates soft pools of light that make the space feel calm and inviting. Lamps are also movable, so you can easily switch them around when you redecorate. Don't underestimate their power. A beautiful lamp can make your home feel professionally designed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home insights.